Screwdriver.
What is this?
Magnet.
What is this?
Mousetrap.
What is this?
Ruler.
What is this called?
Steps.
What is this called?
Railings.
What is this called?
Ladder.
What is this called?
Stairs.
What is this called?
Rolling pin.
What is this called?
Ladle.
What is this called?
Meat cleaver.
What is this called?
Simmer.
What is this called?
Fry pan.
What is this called?
Teapot.
How many did you get?
What is this in English? Socket. What is this in English? Plug. What is this in English? Bulb. What is this in English? Share your answer in the comment.
Clear tape.
What is this?
Paper clip.
What is this?
Packing tape.
What is this?
Glue.
What is this?
French fries.
What is this?
Cheeseburger.
What is this?
Onion rings.
What is this?
Sandwich.
What is this?
Nacho.
What is this? What is this?
Duck.
What is this?
Owl.
What is this?
Woodpecker.
What is this?
Eagle.
What is this?
Scallops.
What is this?
Crab.
What is this?
Sea urchin.
What is this?
Snail.
What is this?
Raincoat.
What is this?
Poncho.
What is this?
Rain boots.
What is this?
Trench coat.
What is this?
Subway station.
What is this?
Train station.
What is this?
Taxi.
What is this?
Bicycle.